No! Thanks, lady. Stop. Stop. Yeah. Yeah, just look after you actually cross the tracks. So while you're crossing the tracks, that's brilliant. Let's see what this peckerhead does. Mass hole, outie hole. You gonna stop? No, he's gonna blow through the stop sign. Good job, lady. Good job. We're in the red. Get off my butt. We're in the red. Get off my butt. Clunk. Try to avoid that. Why's that lopsided? Wait, hold on. Did somebody run a red light? Did he run the red light? He must have run the red light. I don't know. I don't know. You didn't stop before you turned. Cut off? Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. You just ran the red. Thank you. Yeah! Stay on that side, or you fuckhead! And you ran the red. I highly doubt that you stopped. Highly doubt that you stopped. Yeah, you probably didn't stop either. Thank you. Jesus. You have a stop sign, you fuckhead! Yeah, you probably didn't stop either. Thank you. Jesus. You have a stop sign, you fuckhead! I don't think you stopped back there either. Grumble, grumble, grumble. Don't hit the wall. Guardrail, whatever. Hey, it's a job lot truck. Look at that. See those in Syracuse. Exit dive.
Go straight on, then there.
Let's go. Wait, there was no left turn. What the fuck are you doing, dude? Gee, what the fuck, dude? Got the wrong side of the road. No right turn, rather. Whatever. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Hi, someone's coming. Down because we're not going to stop. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You just look at me and go. No problem. Fuck. Ugh, God damn it, people. Thank you. I fucking love Worcester. Why are you speeding up? Yeah, give me a second, fuckface, so I can buy him. Thank you. Going well above the speed limit. You don't have to do this. Trash! Stop! Those signs aren't optional. Just zoom out in front of me, honey. Not a problem. Toyo turd. Asshole left. Go. Faster, and somebody's coming, and hi, hello, Grandpa. Yeah, just mosey along, no problem. Gonna run the red. You're in the red. Maybe 3 of them ran the red, I don't know. Toyota definitely ran the red. It was a cutoff. That was a cutoff. Cut off, left turn dive. And that was a red light run.